Waveform QuadMini Review. Real 4x4 multiple input, multiple output speed gains for T-Mobile, Verizon, and AT&T. You're sitting there watching that little wheel spin again, heart sinking because the video call is in 3 minutes and the internet is crawling. Last week, I almost lost a client when the screen froze mid-pitch. Sound familiar? The Waveform QuadMini changed everything for me in under an hour. Tell me in the comments, what's the one thing buffering is stealing from you right now? That tight chest feeling when the deadline is screaming and the ping is stuck at 300 milliseconds? It's brutal. You deserve control, not chaos. Imagine reclaiming your evenings because uploads finish in seconds, not hours. The Waveform QuadMini gives you that grip on reality again, without adding another gadget to babysit. Feel that relief yet? Here's where the magic happens. The Waveform QuadMini is a 4x4 multiple input, multiple output, low-profile beast that grabs every possible data stream outside and slams it straight into your gateway. No aiming, no giant ugly panels, just stick it on the best window with the suction cups or wall mount and watch the bars climb. You get true 4x4 MIMO throughput, up to 5.2 decibels isotropic gain, ultra-low latency, and rock-solid stability even during peak hours. Last month, a video editor I know was staring at a failed 4K upload at 11:57 p.m., client deadline midnight. He slapped on the QuadMini, reran the test, and the file finished with 6 minutes to spare. The sigh of relief was audible over the phone. That rush of, I've got this, when the speeds jump from 40 to 180 megabits per second, that's the QuadMini moment waiting for you right now. Suddenly, everything flows. Downloads that finish before your coffee gets cold, 4K streams that never stutter, video calls so crisp you can see your client smile. A networking analyst told me, the QuadMini is the only kit I recommend first because it's truly complete. UFL adapters, window entry cable, everything. A popular RV tech creator said he's hitting 3 times speeds in campgrounds he used to dread. One user wrote, went from 15 megabits per second and constant drops to 65 megabits per second rock solid. My Verizon basement office is actually usable now. Even in fringe areas, people are seeing 8 to 12 decibels better signal and doubling or tripling speeds. Worried it's complicated? Most installs take 30 to 45 minutes with our step-by-step videos. Zero drilling, zero stress. Thousands of creators, remote workers, and families can't stop talking about this because it just works. Picture your own speed test screenshot making you grin. Ready to see it for yourself? Join the creators, remote workers, and families already using the Waveform QuadMini and seeing real, measurable results every single day. No hype, just faster, stabler internet that lets you get your life back. If you're tired of settling for sluggish cellular home internet, this is the upgrade that actually delivers. Tap the link in the description right now to grab your complete QuadMini kit and start enjoying the speeds you're supposed to have. You deserve this. Go make it happen.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.